It's a stainless knife. It's meant to be in the dishwasher. Yes. What the f?
Was David thinking, man? Leave all the acidity juice on the knife and also scrape the knife and put it into the dishwasher. Now most of you, then don't watch Ray shopping because Ray tell you don't put any knives in the dishwasher. Why? Once you cut, if you don't remove all the acidity alkaline on the knife, no matter it's stainless or high carbon, it will rust. Though steel is completely stainless, they all will rust. Second, don't scrape the knife and you put into the dishwasher. Means all the dishes and plates, they are made with ceramic. In there, the knife's contact, small chips becomes no sharp. Most of you don't know how to use a stone to remove chips. That's a good knife. Fix the above Rockwell harness for the Murasaki. Now we have to fix it. Get a pack, get from online. Sharpness test. SKD 11 steel imported from Japan. Murasaki no 62 Rockwell harness. Stainless. Get from online.